Want to rank number one on Google and don't know where to start? Well, it starts with the keyword research. Welcome to the SEO course for beginner lesson number 2, keyword research and analysis. I am Rohit and welcome you all to Digital Dynamo Rohit. So let's begin with the lesson number 2. Why keyword research is required? We need to understand that first. Keyword research is required to find the right keywords for your business which you are going to target and rank your website in the first page of the search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. The right keywords are required everywhere. While you are doing on-page SEO or you are creating content for the blog or your service pages, you need to find the right keywords which you are going to be target. Now the question is how to find the right keywords. We need to understand our audience and niche. Understanding your audience means what people are looking for or what they are searching for related to your business is understanding your audience. What problems or questions do they have or what they are searching, in which language they are searching. You need to understand everything related to your audience and related to your business. So now let's talk about the niche. Niche is a specific area or topic you need to focus on. The more clearly it is defined, it is easier to target the right keywords and to get the loyal audience for you. Now the second point under how to find the right keywords is to understand the search intent of your audience. The search intent is the reason behind the search query. What people are searching on the internet, on the search engines is the intent. Search intent might be informational, navigational or transactional. Informational means the user wants to get some information. How to bake a cake is the perfect example of informational intent. The second is navigational intent. Navigational intents mean user directly wants to navigate to specific brands. The Facebook login is the keyword where user directly wants to access Facebook website. And Nike official website is the keyword where user want a direct access to the Nike official website. These are navigational intent keywords. The third is transactional intent keywords. Transactional intent means user want to make a purchase. Buy iPhone 16 Pro. This is the keyword where user wants to make a transaction, wants to buy a iPhone. The third point under how to choose a right keywords is focus on low competition and high search volume. Whenever you are doing keyword analysis or keyword research, focus on those particular keywords which are having higher search volume, and you need to keep an eye on the competition level also. Competition level must be low. There are two types of keywords, short tail and long tail. You may target long tail keywords, long tail keywords having less competition. By targeting the long tail keywords, you will get an early access in the online presence of the search engines. Let's have a look on the side screen to understand the long tail and short tail keywords. Now I am typing the keyword healthy smoothie recipes, and you can see here healthy smoothie recipes for breakfast. This is long tail keyword. Healthy smoothie recipes for weight loss. Google already suggested so many long tail keywords. Healthy smoothie recipes for weight gain. This is also a long tail keyword. Now let's talk about where can I do the keyword research. So there are many tools which are useful to do the keyword research. Some of them are free and some of them are paid. For the free keyword research tools, you may use Google Keyword Planner. There are many paid tools with advanced features which are helpful to get the right keywords. Ubersuggest, SamRush, these are all paid tools. I will show you on the side screen through one of these paid tools how to do the keyword search. This is the dashboard of Ubersuggest, one of the paid tool to do the keyword search. Here is keyword research. I will go and get the keyword ideas. I will type the same keyword, healthy smoothie recipes. You may select the language here, any language, and location. You may select all locations, or you may select a particular location also here. So I will select the all location and click on the search here. So let's wait while the tool will fetch the data for us. So here comes the data, healthy smoothie recipes. This is the total volume, total search volume, the total number of searches a keyword has in a month based on the selected locations. And this is CPC, and this is paid difficulty. Estimated competition in paid search. The higher the number, the more competitive is the keyword. Now these are the long tail keywords, healthy smoothie recipes for weight loss, fruit smoothie recipes mango. This is the keyword where you will get this good number of search volume, and the competition is very low. Fruit smoothie recipes strawberry. Here is also the competition is very low. These are the long tail keywords. I have talked earlier also that these keywords are the target keywords to get early access to the search engine, and these are the right keywords where we are getting a good number of search volume and lesser difficulty in terms of SEO. So now the thing is that you need to organize your keywords, create a Google sheet, or Excel, whatever you are comfortable with, and group the keywords by topic or intent. I hope you guys like the video, and I am coming up with on-page SEO practical and off-page SEO practical playlist very soon, in which I will show you how to do on-page SEO and how to do off-page SEO with the practical. I will see you soon, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with the latest updates on the topics I am going to cover in my next lessons. Have a good day, and bye bye everyone.